A very good morning, students. This is your general awareness class with your Diksha ma'am. I hope you all safe. Enjoy your classes. Students, today we will read farm animals. Farm animals. In the previous class, we read wild animals. And today we will read farm animals. Okay? So what is farm animals? Animals that lives in farm are farm animals. They help us in many ways. Okay? Read first animal. Horse. Horse. What is this? Horse. Pig. What is this? Pig. What is this? Pig. Pig. Next. Hen. Hen. Which animal is this? Hen. Hen. Duck. 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 Cow. 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 Goat. Goat. Donkey. Donkey. You can see here, donkey. Next, sheep. 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 Read first one, horse. Students, horse has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a long tail. A long bushy tail. You can see here, a long bushy tail. What is this? Horse. Horse. Next one is pig. Pig. Pig has 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 big ears. You can see his ears, 2 big ears, and a nose. A nose. And 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a short tail. Pigtail. You can see here. Look. Next one is hen. Hen. Hen has 2 legs, 2 eyes. Okay. Duck. Duck. 2 legs, 2 eyes, and a long beak. Okay. Next, cow. Cow has 4 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 eyes, a nose, 2 ears, and a long tail. And a long tail. Goat. Goat. Donkey and sheep. Sheep. Students, horse के बहुत सारे कलर्स हो सकते हैं. Here, just brown, black, grey. Okay? There's so many colors. Pig. You can see a pig here. Light pink and brown. Same with cow. Cow has many colors. White, brown, black. Okay? Donkey, grey color. Sheep, white. Goat has so many colors. White, black, brown. Okay? Now come to our practice work. Students, practice. Look at the pictures. Take the farm animals. Look, so many animals given here. You have to identify farm animals. Okay? But read all the animals. First, which animal is this? Horse. Horse. Horse is a farm animal or wild animal? It's a farm animal. Then take. Next. Which animal is this? Lion. Lion. Okay? Lion. Don't take because it's a wild animal. Okay? Next one is cow. Cow is a farm animal. Take. What is this? Which animal is this? Tiger. Tiger is a wild animal, not a farm animal. So don't take this. What is this? Which animal is this? Goat. Goat is a farm animal. Take this. Next one. Donkey. Donkey is a farm animal. Take. What is this? Look. What is this? What is this? Octopus. Octopus. Octopus is a water animal. So don't take this. What is this? Zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. Pig. Pig is a farm animal. Sheep. Sheep is also a farm animal. Students, complete this. Read this. Practice this. Thank you.